Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about Subex Limited. So I have updated many video. I started recommended this video from 26.55. This stock Subex Limited from 26.55, and I given the detailed analysis about this clip, and also I given the target of 100 at this video, so you can watch this video. So I'm not saying anything wrong because maybe some people they will think that I didn't recommended this video. So you can see this. I'm giving you that one, and also I have updated in many video about the Subex Limited. Even in the last one, I updated here. You can see here 52.20. In this video also, I stated that it was when it was traded somewhere around 58, there was a fall, and I told in this video very clearly that this fall is not sustainable and this will be moving ahead. I told you very clearly, and also I stated the reason also for that. You can watch that video also. Now just we will go into the current trading pattern, and also there is one good thing I should tell you. The UC is going to be continued here, the rally is going to be continued here. I will explain you in details. Currently you can see here, currently it is trading today. Trading is around 53.60 is the closing price, 5.51 percentage up. And also when we are comparing to my recommended rate, currently it is trading around 201 percentage profit. So 201 percentage profit from my recommended level. Again this will move, and our target is 100. I'll explain you in details. And also before that I should tell you, Tata Steel BSL, I told you the share will fall. You can watch my videos. I updated that in my video. I told to exit Tata Steel BSL, and also JSW Ispat. I told to continue this share. Currently it is trading at 53, and I recommended somewhere around 26. This one also given almost 200 percentage as of today. So this will be continued, and our target will be 100. And don't, if somebody is holding this share, please don't sell it. This will be traded above 100. So this is a good stock. And you can see that in my last video I stated that Subex launched artificial intelligence platform for their system. That means for the 5G and all. You can see that news here. Already I told you that. And the currently company is dealing with all the major companies like Saudi Aramco, Tata, and many other companies. You can watch my previous videos. And the reason I will tell you why it will be traded above 100. So you can see here the current quarter, that means Q4 result is going to become, that will be good result. And you can see here, actually the company taken over was happened between December 2019 and March 2020. You can see the difference here. So before it was on negative profit, and you can see here after that company is generating positive profit. Okay, and you can see this thing that today's trading pattern. If you see here, right now we are in NSE website. You can see here today's low was 5.60. So we will go here. That means it was flat here until around 2 p.m. And you can see here somewhere around 54.25 was traded at high, and you can see the average is 52.53, and total volume traded is 1.48 crore. Okay, and in that 32.54 percentage taken delivery, and the closing is higher than the average trading price today. So it means it's a positive trend, and surely the rally will continue from here. You can see the target of 100, and surely this will give you somewhere around 400 percentage profit. So if somebody is holding this share, please don't sell Subex Limited. This is a multi-bagger stock. Already it's a multi-bagger from my recommendation. If any stock traded above 100 percentage is a multi-bagger, and it's already given 200 percentage. Still I am telling you, please don't sell any Subex share. Please continue to hold. This will give you around 400 percentage profit, and surely this will reach up to 100. And this is a good stock to buy, and please hold it. And once again I should tell you, always we have to take the right decision at the right time. That is a best example here is Tata Steel Limited. Two times I updated in the past 2 days. I am telling you the stock will be fall, and today it started. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel.